serious elected leaders of this house. These leaders made a determination based on a very dangerous reputational risk to this house on this bill that Senator Cheriot has gotten up to move. We made a decision as a house that not up until that issue is addressed in a collegiate way should this bill be introduced. Mr. Speaker, this bill is not about Senator Cheriot. It's not about Senator Sifuna. This bill is about the reputation of this house. At the very least, if there was even a small respect to this house by that committee or leadership that met, we should have been called as a house before even that matter is put in the business of the house for Kamukunji. You can't ambush us here and bring a bill, then the majority leader is going to explain to us a decision that has been taken that we are not behind, and then move the same bill, Mr. Speaker. What are we taking this house for, Mr. Speaker? I beg, Mr. Speaker, that this bill must be stepped aside. We must be briefed, even in Akamukunji, how a determination was made for this bill to come back and become into the order paper, Mr. Speaker. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, we are not going to progress as a house when we take a decision on a reputation of this house and move this house in a proper manner, Mr. Speaker. I want to beg, Mr. Speaker, that you cannot explain to us while moving the bill. We cannot take it. That's disrespect to me. It's disrespect.
Senator Eddie, are you done?
Yes, I'm done, Mr. Speaker, but this bill cannot be moved up until we explain this issue in a Kamkunji, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Majority Leader, you may proceed.
Mr. Speaker, I don't want to lose my cool, but Mr. Speaker,
Senator Omtata.
Look at this.
Order, honorable senators, order. Order, Senator Eddie. Order, you've made your point. Allow the majority leader to make his.
Yes. Mr. Speaker, when we rose